Okay guys, so let's solve problem number 1. Find the area bounded by the curves y is equals to 3x and y is equals to x squared. Okay, so upon inspection guys, so we have here two functions. So yung isa, linear function, so line equation, which is y is equals to 3x, and a quadratic equation or a parabolic equation, which is y is equals to x squared. So, sabi ko nga dito guys, very important na alam mo mag-graph ng function. So, how do you plot or i-graph? So, i-graph muna natin. So, ito, madali lang naman to. Since itong quadratic equation natin, since it's a parabola, vertex at 0, 0, opening upward. So, medyo tricky lang dyan. Hindi mo tricky. So, ito lang yung kailangan nating i-plot. Yung line equation. Of course, how do you do that? So, yung pinakasimple, di ba? Pinakasimpleng method, which is create ka ng table, which is, let's say, yan. Assign ka ng values ng x and y, di ba? So, plug in mo dito. At x equals to 0, y is equals to 0, di ba? At x equals to 1, y is equals to 3. Diba dito? Then, let's say, x equals to 2. So, 2 times 3, y is equals to 6. So, okay na yan. At least 3 points or 2 points. So, ayun na. Then, you can plot. Let's say, plot natin. So, ano ba yung tsura kaya nito? Ayan. Sulitan lang natin. So 0, 0. So, ayan yan, syempre. Then, at x equals to 1, let's say 1, 2. Y is equals to 3. Let's say, ito yung 3. Halimbawa, so, ayan. Then, at y is equals to 2, x equals to 2, sorry. So, ito yung 2 mo. Ayan, halimbawa 2. X equals to 6. So, let's say, ito yung 6. Taas natin dito. Ayan. So, yun. Ayun. So, ayan yung line mo. So, if you're going to connect that, parang hindi ata straight line na. Isod natin dito. Ayan. Hindi tinamaan eh. Anyway. So, ayan. Isod natin na konti. Ayan. Ayan. So, that's your line equation. So, yung line na na-create natin, this is your y is equals to 3x. So, how about y is equals to x squared? So, that's a parabola opening upward lang yan. So, pwede rin yan dito. So, ayan. So, vertex at 0, 0. So, ito yung vertex mo. Ayan. Oh, yun. Diba? So, ayan. May point of intersection siya dito. Kita niya? Let's say, ayan. So, kahit hindi naman sobrang ganda ng graph, okay? Basta at least visible or at least may idea lang kayo kung ano itsura ng area na hanapin nyo. So, hindi makailangan pagandahin. Okay? At least kita nyo lang kung ano itsura. Okay, ayan. So, of course, ito na yung area na nakbuo niya, di ba? Ito yung closed curve. So, drawing natin ng pulang, emphasize natin ng pulang marker or ballpen na yan. So, yun, tinitrace ko na to. Ayan. This is your closed curve. Kita nyo? Ayan. So, now, yan yung area na hanapin natin. Okay? Itong part na to. Ayan. Okay, so, ano kayang strip ang pwede. So, for emphasis, so, mas madali ang, or pwedeng mag-ano tayo, vertical. So, vertical strip tayo. So, ayan. Pwede rin naman horizontal. Mas ano kung vertical dyan. Ayan. Let's use a vertical strip. Okay. So, if you use a vertical strip, di ba? So, that is, anong function natin dyan? So, for vertical, area is equals to integral of function y upper minus y lower dy. Ba? Or dx pala, sorry. Dx since ang strip is vertical, so y dx yung differential length mo. Integrated from a to b. Diba? Coordinates mo is from along x-axis. Yung gagamitin mo na boundary conditions. So, clear tayo dun, guys. Okay? Okay, so yun na. So, ang ano lang natin ngayon is, how do we find this condition? So, of course, dito, how do you find A? Ito na yan, 0, 0, di ba? Ayun na agad yung first mo. What is this one? Diba? Ito yung point 1 mo. So, yung parang point of intersection ng line tsaka ng parabola, which is ito, 0, 0. How about this one? How do you find this point of intersection? So, hindi natin alam yan. So, we solve these two equations simultaneously. So, since y is equals to 3x and y is equals to x squared, so which means we can replace y here by x squared is equals to 3x. Then, divide both sides by x. So, x is equals to 3. Yun pala yung sabihin nun. So, it means this intersection is 3. And how about the y? So, ibalik mo lang dun. Diba? So, which means 9 pala yan. Okay? So, ang point of intersection na to is, points of intersection are point 1, 0, 0. And this point mark as 3 and 9. So, paano nakuha yung 9, sir? O, di ba? Substitute mo lang dun, di ba? O, 3 times 3, 9. Then, 3 squared. So, 9 pa rin. So, same lang yan. Okay? So, yun na. So, you just have to substitute. O, what is your upper function? YU. Y is of u. So, of course, sa pinakataas yung equation ng line, di ba? So, ito yun. Then, ay nasa baba. Etong y is equals to x squared, yung parabola. So, your y upper function is line equation, which is 3x, and yung y lower mo is yung x squared. So, lagay mo na dun. Area is the integral of is a, which is x, which is 0, 0 to 3. Clear tayo, di ba? Since ito, 0 siya. X, then 3. Then, y is of u mo, which is 3x. Di ba? Yung pinakitaas, ito, which is yung line equation, which is y is equals to 3x. And yl is yung pinaka-lower, which is yung parabola, x squared dx. So, yun na. Integrate mo na yan. Napakadali na lang yan, guys. Di ba? So, distributive property na lang yan. So, distribute nyo lang yung limit, yung integral sign tsaka dx. Area is the integral of 0 to 3, 3x dx minus the integral of 0 to 3, x squared dx. So, ayan. So, integral nito, area is 3. So, power formula. So, x squared over 2 integrated from 0 to 3 minus yan, x cubed over 3 integrated from 0 to 3. So, ayun na. Tapos na tayo dyan. So, of course, you just have to substitute the boundary condition. So, 3 halves. So, substitute mo na lang yan. So, 3 squared minus 0 squared. So, 0 na lang yan. Minus 1/3. That is 3 cubed minus 0 cubed. 0 na yan. 0. And what is your area? So, your area is equals to, so, 9. So, 3 times 9. 7 over 2 minus 7 over 2. So, calculate nyo na lang 9 over 2 yan. 9 over 2 square units. Ayan. Okay? So, ayan. Which means pala, this area have an area of 9 over 2 square units. Or ilan ba yung 9 over 2? 4.5 square units. Okay? So, yun na. So, dali lang, di ba? So, you can use calculators na lang for this one. Pero the final answer is 9 over 2 square units. Yan. So, let's try kung kaya ba ng calculator yan. Tingnan natin, ha? So, I'm not sure. Ngayon ko pa lang itatry. Ano yung function natin? 3x. Try natin. X squared, no? Mali. Alpha. Try natin kung kaya, guys. Ano yung limit niya? 0 to 3. Natin kung lalabas yung 9 over 2. Ay, lumabas. Bilis. Ayun na, diba? Ang bilis lang. So, tama yung sagot natin. Okay? So, yun. So, as a checking, so you can use, of course, your calculators naman. Pero sa exercise natin, so, kailangan may plot ka pa rin. So, manual tsaka meron kang simple graph. Okay? So, yan. Tandaan niyo guys. So, sa exercise 3, 3 and 4, so dapat ganyan. May simple plot ka. So, simple graphing. Kasi dito makikita ko kung tama yung sagot mo. Then, of course, yung solution niya. So, yun. So, that's problem number 1. So, on our next video, we'll try to solve problem number 2 naman. Okay? A different type naman ng function. So, dalawang function. So, parabola. Intersect by another parabola. Okay? So, thank you guys.